Scientists may have discovered the most sought-after particle in modern science. In scientific terms, the Higgs boson is a fundamental building block of the universe. The official announcement is expected this week from researchers in Switzerland, but a video accidentally posted online leaked the news early. Experts say finding this elusive subatomic particle would be one of the top scientific achievements of the past 50 years.
Deep underground beneath the Swiss-French border, scientists have been conducting the world's biggest and most expensive experiment. They've been firing particles at each other at just under the speed of light. It's taken 30 years to come to this point, where scientists can test what's called the standard model of particle physics.
It's missing several ingredients, and the big one that we can attack with the current machine is the Higgs boson.
The Higgs boson, the tiniest of components of an atom, has only existed in theory. Physicists have argued it is responsible for giving things mass. That is, it was thought to help explain why particles of the same size can have different masses and, by extension, weigh different amounts. It's been dubbed by the media as the God particle, but that bothers the purists.
That's what scientists call the Standard Model, the best explanation so far of the creation of the universe. But experts have yet to prove the existence of the Higgs boson particle, the last piece of the puzzle. They've been trying to find the subatomic particle for 3 decades. They hope this huge 27-kilometer accelerator at the CERN Research Institute will confirm their beliefs.
Last December, scientists working at 2 separate experiments at the Large Hadron Collider said that they detected small signals that it might exist.
We are here today to hear the latest results on the search for the Higgs boson.
Scientists are expected to say that these signals have increased markedly, but not by quite enough to officially say they've discovered the Higgs. But in their heart of hearts, they'll feel they really have discovered a new particle.
I think amongst themselves they will be absolutely elated and will, to themselves admit they have discovered the Higgs. What they tell the outside world, the official line, may fall short of a discovery, but I think amongst the physicists involved in the experiment, they must be pretty confident they have found it.
If a new particle has been discovered, researchers will have to do more experiments to confirm that it really is the Higgs.
This is the most massive such particle that exists, if we confirm all of this, which I think we will. And that is very, very significant. This is something that may, in the end, be one of the biggest discoveries or observations of any new phenomena that we've had in our field in the last 30 or 40 years.
Well, it's reporting on a search for what's known as the Higgs particle. And the Higgs particle is very important to us because it is the particle that the theory that tells us how all the other elementary particles acquired their mass, how they actually got mass. And that's terribly important because when you think of, say, an atom, which has a nucleus and an electron around it, if the electron had no mass at all, there wouldn't be an atom. If there isn't an atom, we wouldn't be here talking because we wouldn't exist. So it's terribly important for us. It's terribly important for our theories because it helps us to understand what are the fundamental forces in particles in nature.